Okay, welcome back. Today we will talk about the image size webp, better Lighthouse score in between image and Next.js image. So we will cover basically two things. Okay, so let's dive into the deep. So initially we are using the image, bare minimum image, not optimized on, as I have discussed earlier. Let's see what we are getting. This is the bare minimum image. Okay, and if we go to the network tab, I'm saving it once again and I'm reloading it. You see, it takes little bit of time to load because it is not optimized. We are not using image component of Next.js, but to make the differentiation or understand what is the difference, here first of all we are reloading by the bare minimum image, and you see it's loading and it's PNG. Remember it's PNG and its size is 741 kilobyte and its loading time is 10 seconds, almost 11 seconds. Okay, let's go for Lighthouse performance. Lighthouse for mobile, I'm analyzing it. So how much score we are getting? We are talking about image, not anything else. Image optimization, Next.js 50. Okay, let's see, we got the score of 46 and they are suggesting us serve image in next generation format. It's webp. You see PNG or webp, image format like webp. Okay, they are suggesting us to convert the image to webp, so it will give you better performance. Okay, so you know what is webp. Webp is the you see, webp is the modern image format that provides superior lossless and lossy compressions for image on the web. Using webp, webmaster and web developers can create smaller, richer images that make the web faster. WebP lossless images are 26% smaller in size. It makes the image smaller, okay, and image that makes web faster. Reduce the size and increase the performance. WebP typically achieves average 30% more compression than JPEG or JPEG 2000, which lost the image quality, but image quality will not be compromised. Okay, so we need WebP. Okay, so we got on point, we need WebP. So we will not write it manually. WebP, Next.js will do for us automatically. And I am what I have kept over here, I have kept the performance over here. I have kept the record performance. See the performance 46, 49. Okay, 46, 49, around 46. So 46 is the performance of bare minimum image. So now we wanna see the Next.js image. Okay, and see the Lighthouse performance. Okay, go to the network tab. I'm reloading it once again. It has been loaded. I'm reloading it once again. It's loading a bit earlier and it's reduced the size dramatically, and it's later I will show you the difference in between two, and its loading time nearly 2.24 seconds. Okay, and let's go for the Lighthouse. I am analyzing. So right now it will give the performance of using webp and using the Nextjs image component. Okay, let's see. Use performance boost 64, and they are not suggesting us to improve the image, and they make it webp. You see, they have converted it webp. So initially it was 49, now it's 62, 64. So 60, 49 to 62. Okay, and they are not suggesting us to make it webp. So now I wanna show you the side by side the difference. Okay, so it's already clear that we are getting huge performance boost. You see 64, and previously it was 46 or 49. So by optimizing the image, we are getting huge Lighthouse good score. Okay, mobile good score. So let's run these two codes side by side to compare in between. Let's go to the network tab. I am loading the both images once again. You see, already it has been loaded, but the bare minimum image is took lot of time to load. You see, here is the performance size. They compress the size, but losing the quality. Quality has not been compromised. You see, same image, but they reduce the size, use amount of size they have reduced. 741 to merely 38 kilobyte. Okay, and you see the loading time. Previously it was almost 12 or 11 and a half, but right now it's 1.64 seconds. So huge performance boost. Okay, and you can lazy load also. Lighthouse says that lazy loading lazy reduce the Lighthouse score. You can use it agar, and let me know in the comment box how much performance score you are getting. Is it better than using loading or non-loading version, loading version and non-loading version? I mean, if you don't use loading, it will automatically give you the loading. You say lazy, it is built in, it is giving you loading lazy, but you can convert it loading agar. So let me know in the comment box whether lazy is preferable or agar is preferable. And I have tested, agar gives you a better result. I don't know why in the Lighthouse, but I think in the production it will give you a better result, and we will get further better result if we use CDN. Okay, so we are getting huge performance boost. So when I used agar, I got 67. When I don't use agar, I got 62, and initially it was 49. So huge performance boost. So we can improve the result also if we go for the recommendation. But this is another issue. We should minimize the thread work, reduce JavaScript execution. If we solve this error, we will get better, 100% better result. But as we are talking about the image, the size, the compression, loading time, so we are confining ourselves in this topic. So you see, huge performance boost. Its loading time is remarkably less and size is useless. 741 to 38 kilobyte, and loading time So we did actually we did nothing. All the things are done by Nextjs. Okay, so that's why Nextjs is unique and it's give you tremendous benefits without doing any manual job. Okay, they are doing it by their own accord. You need not worry about that. Okay, so I have shown you the lighthouse effect and let me know if you use it loading error. What's the score you are getting in between 3 by individually running lighthouse. Okay, let me know in the comment box. Okay, no more today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. One stack TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but it will get you will get $9 if the course is needed. You can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.